Hey friends, Jill Stoppel Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, Kansas. And today is our 15th birthday, April 1st. No fooling, no April Fool's jokes here, but just want to come on here and thank you for 15 years. I know a lot of small businesses don't have the opportunity to be open for that long, and I realize how blessed we are to still be here and to still be serving you. And I want to thank you if you've ever been a client or a current client or have supported us in any way, have been a teammate or one of our current awesome teammates that we have here, or have been a trainer that I've met along the years that's attended some continuing education programs. Just wanted to show a little bit of gratitude to you today on April 1st, and we appreciate you. And without such an amazing community of followers in the Kansas City metro and beyond, we wouldn't still be here. So we're excited. I love coming to work every day and serving you and meeting more people and helping everyone feel better, look better, be stronger and sexier year after year. So cheers to 15. And if you see this little invite going around the next couple of weeks, we're having a fun open house here on Thursday, April 13th. Would love you to pop in, see what we're all about. Or if we haven't seen you for a while, just come by and say hi. We're going to have all kinds of cool stuff going on. Drinks, chair massages, food. It'll be a party. Have a great day, and thank you so much.